Are your emails going to spam and GetResponse? It's frustrating when your carefully crafted emails end up in the spam folder, especially when you're trying to engage your audience. Today, we'll break down the reasons this could be happening in GetResponse and how you can fix it so you can get back to sending successful emails. First off, one of the biggest reasons your emails are going to spam could be due to poor list hygiene. If you're sending emails to invalid addresses or a large number of inactive subscribers, your emails are more likely to be marked as spam. Make sure you're cleaning your list regularly and only sending to those who actually want to hear from you. A strong, engaged list means better deliverability. Next thing to consider is the content of your emails. If your emails contain too many spammy keywords, things like free, win, or guaranteed, they are more likely to be flagged. GetResponse's email filters look for certain red flags, and the content of your email is a big part of that. Avoid using all caps, excessive punctuation, or misleading subject lines. Focus on providing value and keep it clear and professional. The third thing to check is your sender reputation. If you've recently had a high bounce rate or complaints about your emails, it could hurt your reputation, leading to more of your emails landing in spam. GetResponse does have some built-in tools to track these metrics, so pay attention to how your campaigns are performing. If your reputation suffers, you'll need to take extra steps to rebuild trust with your audience. Now, let's talk about authentication. If you haven't set up proper email authentication, things like SPF and DKIM, your emails may not pass through spam filters. These are essential security features that ensure your emails are coming from a trusted source. Make sure you set them up in GetResponse, as they help verify your identity and improve deliverability. The fifth thing, and this one is often overlooked, is your sending frequency. If you're sending too many emails in a short period of time, your deliverability could take a hit. Make sure your email schedule isn't overbearing for your audience, and always monitor the response to your campaigns. Too many emails too quickly can trigger spam filters, even if your content is on point. Finally, while GetResponse offers a lot of tools for email marketers, it's not perfect. There are other email marketing platforms that have better spam filters, more robust list management tools, and better reputation management features. If you're finding that GetResponse isn't giving you the results you're hoping for, it may be worth exploring alternatives that specialize in deliverability and spam prevention. At the end of the day, the key is to understand why your emails are going to spam and take action. While GetResponse is a solid option for many, there are alternatives out there that might suit your needs better. And as a special offer for our viewers, you can get an exclusive, extended free trial of one of these alternative platforms by using the link in the description. You'll also unlock some amazing additional benefits, so don't miss out. So, if you're serious about boosting your email deliverability, make sure to check out the alternatives linked below. They could help you solve the spam issue and deliver the results you're after.